Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to convert and sell your dogs token on Bybit. What you need to do is at first head over to dogs and then open it up, and then it's going to show something like this. Click on connect wallet and claim. From there, click on view all wallets and then click on Bybit wallet, and then what it's going to do is load into your Bybit account. And if you haven't already logged in, I highly recommend you doing that. After that, what you need to do basically is tap on deposit right over here, and then we're gonna search for dogs, as you can see, this one, and then the network will be done, and then click on OK. As you can see, it's asking me to verify my identity, but after that it's going to ask you for like your deposit address and memo, which you need to put back in dogs. And once it's done, what you need to do is head over back right over here, and then you need to go to markets and then search for dogs USDT, just like so, and from there you can go long, short, whatever you do. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.